Hello everyone, welcome to part 143 of Laravel 9 series in which we are getting the multi-vendor e-commerce website. So we will continue working on the orders module in the admin panel. In the last video we have seen that we are able to show all the orders in the admin panel, both for admin as well as the vendors. Vendors can able to see his own orders, but the admin can able to see all the orders. Okay, here you can see that we able to see all the orders here. Okay, so now in this video we are going to show the order complete details, like we have created the order details page at the front end. Here we are going to create the order detail page at the admin panel as well. Here we are going to add the view icon for in actions, and here once the admin will click here, then the complete order details will come up. Okay, so we are going to work on this thing. So we are going to show the order and product details. Okay, order details, product details, order product details, and also the delivery address. Okay, billing address also we're going to show. So we are going to show these things in this video. So let's start. So first thing is we are going to modify this orders blade file. Okay, in which we are going to add the action. We are going to show the order view details icon. Okay, order view details link we are going to add. Okay, so I'm going to open here orders.blade.php file in the admin. Okay, so here I will see, here we'll go here, see empty, td is empty. Here we are going to add the link to display the order details. Okay, so here we will add the link, and also we will add the title here, we order details, and link we are going to add href. We are going to add here, we are going to create its route. After some time we're going to create its route, like admin, under admin orders, and under orders the order id. Okay, so order id that will come up in order array, and it will come like this. Okay, so fine. And here here we are going to display here, like we can display right now view order details, view details, but we are going to add some icon here. Okay, and here see, we are going to check here, see, we will go there and we can see the view details link has come up. Okay, but we are going to show here the class, like we have done in the products blade file. If you remember, we have the classes there. Okay, so this is the class that we want to give. Okay, we will give such kind of classes that we have given there also, like plus. Okay, so we are going to give this one. So I'm going to copy this one. These classes we have also given in other modules, and I will update this one. And there is one class that is I think mdi file document. I think file document. I think it will work. Let's see. I'm going to refresh here, and here you can see the icon has come up. Okay, this file icon has come up. Here you can see the view order details is coming as a title, and if you will click on this one, see, it will go to the order detail page. So we are going to create its route now. Okay, like I have told you that we are going to create its route. So after this order route, we are going to create its route as well. Route get, and here we are going to specify orders id like this, and order controller, order details. Okay, so we are going to do it like this, order. Okay, so this order details function we're going to add order controller. I'm going to add here in admin order controller. Okay, so I'm going to add this one, this order details function, public function order details. Okay, so here we are going to specify order details like this, order details, and here we will going to take the order table, and also we are going to attach the order products as well. We are going to show the product details as well in the order detail page. And here here see, we are going to pass here the id. Okay, so we are passing here the id. You know that we are passing the id because we are going to show the order details of a particular order id. Okay, so we need to have this one as an parameter. Okay, dollar id and mandatory parameter. Okay, so we are going to compare with this id where id dollar id like this, and we are going to convert it to two array. First two array, see, we are using the two array because sometime if we are going to use any kind of array function, if some kind of complex logic we are going to develop, then we are required to may require to use the array function. That time the two array is the if we have the array, then it will be really good for us. Okay, so everything we are converting to the two array. Otherwise you can use the object as well, then you need to remove this one two array. Okay, so now also we require to fetch the user details also, because we are going to show there the customer details, the customer who purchased, who placed the order. Okay, for that we will also get here the user details, user and where id. So it is already here in user id is already in order details, so we are going to fetch from the order details here user id like this. Okay, uh, first two array. Okay, so like this, and this two arrays we are going to return. We are going to create the blade file, admin under order under admin under orders. We are going to create the order underscore details blade file. Okay, so this blade file we are going to create, and this arrays, these arrays, both the arrays, order details as well as the user details, we are going to see, it's going to send there. Okay, like this. Okay, order details as well as the user details. Okay, so now we are going to create the orders detail blade file under our project. This is our folder ecom 9, under sources, under views, under admin, under orders. Where is our orders? See, here is orders.blade.php. Here I'm going to create one more file. In the Mac we need to create the file like touch, and then the file name. Okay, file name I'm going to paste, I have copy from there, order underscore details dot blade.php. This is our file name, and in Windows you need to go inside the folder and you can create the new file. Okay, like you can go inside the folder like we have created now, order underscore details dot blade.php. In Windows you need to go inside the folder like this, and then you can right click and create new notepad file, txt file, and then you can rename that file to order underscore details dot blade.php. Okay, then we are going to open this file here, then we'll make changes. Order details here in the admin. Okay, the file is empty right now, but we require the view here. Okay, view we can copy from the, I think, vendor view we can copy. We already have the view, we can copy from here also we are having the view vendor details, so this view may help us. Okay, we can copy this view. This is view vendor details. Okay, I'm going to open this view vendor details. So I'm going to copy this complete view, complete html, and will paste here. Then I'm going to make changes here. Okay, so here first thing is we are going to here like order details. So order, here we also mention the id as well. Okay, so here id is coming in order details array. Okay, we know that we are passing this array here. Okay, order details array, you can see, so everything is coming in the order details array. Okay, so first thing is we are going to show the id here. Okay, order id details, then back to orders if the user want to see all the orders, and here like this, admin, this one will not come, and this one we will keep same. And here the first thing that we want to display here, we will display here the order details. Okay, order details like this. Okay, so then in place of see, we are not going to display the fields like this. We are going to display the information. We are going to display the information of the order here. Like first thing is order date will come here, order date, then this input will not come. We will create another label here, and in another label we are going to add the order date. Okay, so order date, like it is coming at the front end as well. We have modified the order details, if you remember, in the front end. So we want that kind of details like the order date. You can see here I'm going to copy this one because here we have added that logic. Okay, we are converted that date to the better format. Okay, so we are going to copy this one, and here you can see the order details is same. Order details is coming here, and label, so it's coming, it seems to be fine. And here order details, after order details I'm going to mention the icon. Okay, so see, I'm going to check it once, but before that we need to completely remove, otherwise these will give us error. Okay, we need to completely remove these things. And here, see, after order details we are going to show, in next we are going to show, maybe delivery address we can show, or billing address we can show. So we can show the customer details after this one. After that we are going to show delivery address. Okay, uh, like this, here we are going to show the customer details. I'm going to remove this one as well. Okay, so remove it carefully. Okay, so here, because we require these, and after that delivery address, here also I'm going to remove these all. Okay, so now it's fine. Now I'm going to check here. I'm going to click in order details, like I'm going to check here, and see admin user not found. So it is saying that user is not added here, so we are going to add the user model here. Now we're going to check once again, and now this time it is coming. Okay, now you can see it is coming fine. Once you will click on orders and order that particular order, then it will come up here. Order details is coming here. Okay, so if you don't want this one, just simply you can show the details here. Okay, you can also show the order id here at down. Okay, so it's your choice that you want to show the order id at the top, or you just want to show the order id here. Okay, so like I don't like this one, like order id is coming here, so I think we can show the order id here also. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to create one more here, uh, like this, and this one I'm going to create it like this, and here I'm going to mention order id, and the order id I'm going to mention it like this. Okay, you can see now order id. Okay, but here there is too much space is coming. So we can mention the height here. We can give here height, like style height. You can add the css in your css file, but I am doing in inline css because I don't want to spend much time on css. Okay, there are much work left that we want to finish as soon as possible. So here I'm going to give here this style. Okay, then check once again. So now it is looks better, and also we are going to give this style here. We will give the font weight. Okay, style font weight, some font weight we are going to give. uh, we can also give the bold, but I think font weight is better. I'm going to give this font weight so that some kind of boldness it will give. Okay, not much bold, but some bold. Okay, so I'm going to give it like this. Sorry, not here. Here we need to add it here. Okay, so like order details, after that here we can mention the order id, order date, and other information, like order id, order date, like order status, order total. Okay, so what we can do here, we can just simply copy paste like this. Okay, few times we can do, and after that, like order date, after that we can add here the order total, order date, order total, then order status. Here we can first mention the order status, then order total, Okay, after that we will mention the shipping charges. Okay, then coupon code and coupon amount, coupon code. Like this we can going to mention all, but make sure that we have added. I'm going to like this. Okay, and here also fine, and here we will mention here order date. Sorry, here it is fine. Sorry for that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this one. This one is fine for us. Order date. After that, order status. Then order total, grand total is the field for order total, and shipping charges, and here coupon code. I'm going to remove this one. After that, some more field like coupon amount, payment method, and payment gateway. 3 more fields inside this. 1, 2, 3. First one is the coupon amount. Then payment method. Of that, payment gateway. Okay, so here we can check. Okay, so information is coming fine. Order ID, order date, order status, order total, shipping charges, coupon code, coupon amount. See, if the coupon code, if some information is not there, we can show it. We will not show it. Okay, so here also we are going to add the rupees or INR, whatever currency. We are going to check in front that whatever currency we are using, we are going to show that currency in the admin as well. Okay, like we are going to see here, we are using rupees here. Okay, so we are going to add here the rupees. Okay, like this, and also not, we are not giving any kind of space after rupees. Rupees for the coupon code, rupees for the coupon amount, rupees for the here shipping charges, order total. Okay, so also see, we are going to check if the coupon code is not empty. If not empty, then we are going to show this one. We are going to check here. This one we can close now. Okay, like now it is not coming. And also for the coupon amount, see here in this condition only it will come here. Okay, no need to add the another condition, and here we can do it like this. Now we can check once here. Okay, so now it seems to be fine. Now we are going to show the customer details here, the customer who placed the order. Okay, we are going to show the details. We have already added the user details for showing the customer details. Okay, you can see here user details we have found from the user ID that is there in the orders table. You can check the orders table side by side. You can see the user ID is there. So we are going to show the user information. Okay, this is the customer information, user information. Okay, so that we are going to show after order details here. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to pick one of the div here for our design and go to paste here, and here we're going to show user details. Like first thing is we are going to show the name of the user. Okay, complete information of the user we are going to display, name of the user like this, and I'm going to copy this one, and here name like address, city, state, country, pin code, mobile, email. Okay, so we have added all the fields that we require. and here we are going to make it like after name address, and after address we are going to add city. After city we are going to add state. After state we are going to add city, state, country. After country we are going to add mobile. Okay, pin code also, pin code also is there, pin code. After pin code we are going to add mobile. After mobile we are going to add email. So all the fields are done. Here we can check once. Okay, fine. Name, address, city, state, country, pin code, mobile, email. Okay, so this is the customer details, and maybe the customer not fill his complete details but only name, mobile and email, then it's fine. Then we are not going to display. We will do in the same way, like if customer is not having its own information. Okay, billing information, sorry, delivery information is required from the customer, complete delivery information. But user information, it's wish that if we don't want to give the complete details, then it's fine. He need to give mobile, email as well as the name. These three things are mandatory. Okay, then he can do it like this, not empty. Okay, for all these kind of fields we are going to add this one for all these fields, city. Okay, I'm going to do it like this to save the time. Okay, like for state as well, for country as well, for pin code as well. Okay, then I'm going to close this, and if, and here I'm going to add this one, pin code, country, state. Done. We are going to check now. Okay, only that information that the customer fill we're going to show, but for delivery information we're going to show the complete details. So I'm going to copy this information that is required for the delivery as well, and here I'm going to put this one. But in delivery we don't have the, I don't think that email is there. Email is just for the login of to the account. Okay, but mobile is there. And also I'm going to modify this one. Here we are going to show the order details instead of this one. We're going to show the order details here. So we are going to check once. Okay, so the delivery address is also coming fine. So there is one more we are going to add for updating the order status, complete order status. So we will add one more after this one. Here we will keep it empty, that we are going to show in the next video. We're going to work on the order status. Here I'm going to mention update order status like this. Okay, so this is the next one for us, but we're going to show the complete product details as well, like we are showing at the front, if you remember, the complete product details here. So this is the thing that we want to show, and for this I'm going to paste that stretch card once again. This is the stretch card, we used to call it stretch card. Okay, so I'm going to paste it here once again, and like this, and I'm going to have that table here. Going to make it like I'm going to mention here order item details, order or ordered products, ordered products. Okay, or ordered item, whatever you like, ordered products. And in this order products, what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste it from the from here, like we are having the details here, table, this table I'm going to copy from here. Okay, this complete table, strip table, borderless. Okay, so this one we can copy and paste here. Here we will get everything. We're going to copy this one here. Fine. And we're going to check once. See here, some issue has come because we have not attached the product model at the top. We need to attach the product model at the top here. Use app models product, because we are going to fetch the product details. So now see, but it is not looking fine because here is one issue. We need to make it 12, because here we require the complete stats, not this one. We require the complete stats, so we will do the full stats here. So we'll require the 12, and now it is coming fine. But here you can see the image is not coming. Why the image is not coming correctly? And rest of the information is correct. And here we're going to see the image. We are going to remove its style, and we're going to see, yeah, now it is coming fine. Okay, you can see the ordered products here. Okay, so all the ordered products, order items will come up here. I'm going back to orders, and we'll open the order with the 2 items. Here I'm going to check this one, and here you can see it is good enough. Okay, so we are going to see that how good the order details is looking here. Order details is coming, customer details is coming, delivery address is coming, order product details is coming. These 2 products, the user place the order for these 2 products that the admin or the vendor will ship this order. Okay, so in the next video we are going to work on the order status. Okay, we are going to work on the order status, complete order status, and also we're going to work on the order item status. Okay, so in this multi-vendor e-commerce website we have the item status as well. See, every item, every order item will have its own status. Okay, because maybe this one belongs to the one vendor and this one belongs to the another vendor. So every vendor will ship his item from his warehouse, from his own warehouse. Okay, so so the status of that item will also separate. Also we have the common status for the order that the admin will manage, and these status the vendor will manage. Vendor can see these item status can also be managed by the admin, but normally the vendor will manage these status. Okay, so we will continue working on this thing in the next video as well, so please stay tuned. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.